Hello, welcome to today's segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be taking a deeper dive into the importance of taking a step back and truly assessing your growing environment. So please stay tuned.
I was blessed with a wall that was really into food security. So I was raised to always consider what I can grow wherever I was at. Was always responding that. A lot of people don't consider that. That's a huge factor. We're dealing with rising prices in food. We're dealing with food that's good. All the minerals taken off because the soil is depleted. We're also dealing with wars all over the place. After the whole COVID episode, we did get a chance to see how fragile the food chain is. And so I think this is a good time for you to learn how to grow your own food wherever you are. But the question is, where exactly are you? You have to think about that. Where are you? I was born and raised in Boston, Massachusetts, and now I'm in the South, Texas. So I have to consider where am I? It's not the same climate or the same environment as the soil that was in Boston. So I have to think about that. And so what I tell all my clients and my students, I always say exactly like, we have to do a bioregion examination, assessment. And so what that means is we have to take a look at the environment that you live in and really study bioregion, trees, foliage, the animals. For instance, what's your annual rainfall per year where you are? Where you live at in your zip code, what's the annual rainfall? If you were in your living room and somebody said point north, would you know exactly where the north is from sitting in your living room? Do you know the area before colonization? What was happening in the area that you live in? All right. What are some of the medicinal plants that you walk on and you call weeds? What are some of the flowers that bloom at certain times of the year? What seasons? How they indicated the seasons, the animals, foliage, the bugs. Have you studied those? What kind of predators are out there in the woods? What kind of predators do you hear at night? So these things must be considered. The seasons. Once again, what about what's the phase of the moon tonight? Before you plant, do you know the phase? So these are some things that you have to consider